Using essential questions in planning. Inquiry-based curriculum and planning requires the use of essential questions. And essential questions, guiding questions, these two terms are used interchangeably. But I arrange them this way. Um, they're all essential questions, and I call the big question the big idea question. This is the question that might be asked at the beginning of a course, for example. So in a biology course, questions such as, what is your role in the biosphere? Big, all-encompassing question, a question that would take them the entire course to answer. And then that can be broken down into units. I call those thematic questions because I stress making a question that has a broader theme to it than a question that is very topic-centered, like tell me about cells, something about cells. And then we have what I call topic questions, which are the size of in content as what might be a chapter in a traditional textbook. And then lastly, what I call guiding questions. And these are single concepts, single topics. It might be small enough that it would be answered in a single lesson or two. And the value to the teacher. This helps the teacher prioritize the content of the curriculum and avoid the activity trap by having essential questions as their guide. If everything is working towards answering that question, it helps them prioritize whether I need this lesson or not. If it doesn't lead towards answering that question, then it's an extraneous activity. It's also a valuable tool for the students to help them organize their thinking as well. They can use these questions to organize the content and understand why they did what they did, when they learned it, and what its broader purpose was. And during what I call sense-making time, students can then record what they did in the way of assignments and align those to the questions. And that helps them organize a portfolio of work and knowing every assignment has a place and what question it helps them answer. So in creating this and then using the essential questions in context with a learning map, they now have a tool that they can put everything in a context and create for themselves a graphic organizer that is an outline for a final essay that they would write or a study guide for a final exam they might take.